Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Sultan and I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Salam alaikum, Sultan. It's nice to see you.
Walaikum assalam. Nice
Oh,
to meet you.
thank
How
you.
are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Mhm.
So, what's your name? Deja
My
Saint?
Yeah, Deja.
Okay.
And you said my
Okay.
last name correctly. You're wondering what it means?
Yes.
In English, people don't really name their children something with meaning, usually. So my name doesn't have a meaning. Does yours?
Yes. Sultan means king.
That's true. And how do you
Yes.
feel? Do you feel like a sultan?
No, I don't.
Oh
I
no!
don't. I don't consider myself a king.
I think you are. And
So, where are you from?
I was born in the Bahamas, but right now I live in Mexico.
Mexico. Most of the tutors whom I talk to,
Mhm.
they have moved to what is this? Colombia,
Mexico.
Mexico.
No, that's okay. That's because the price for living here is very cheap and it's good living.
Great, that's good.
Do
So
you
when
live
did
in
you move to Mexico?
Mm, about 6 months ago? Before that, I was living in Canada.
Oh, so you are new here in
Mhm.
Mexico.
Yes, and my
Okay,
Spanish is not that good.
okay, okay.
And do you live in Saudi Arabia right now?
Uh, right now I am in Saudi Arabia, but originally I am from Pakistan,
Mhm.
and I came to Saudi Arabia 2 years ago
Mhm.
because I got a job here, and now
Mm.
I am with my family.
Okay, is it good living in Saudi Arabia?
Much better than Pakistan.
Mhm. And both countries, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, the language is Arabic?
No, in Pakistan we speak Urdu. However, here you know that it's Arabic.
Mhm. Then when did you learn Arabic?
No, I haven't learned Arabic. Who told you that I learn Arabic?
Oh, I guess I thought since you lived in Saudi Arabia, you would need to know it. Then how is everyday living? Is it hard?
Uh, no, it is not. Sometimes I have to face a lot of difficulty, but we manage.
It's the same for me in Mexico.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah, because the
So
main language is Spanish. Go ahead.
yes, I was telling you that here in Saudi Arabia, most of the people here are from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan,
Mm-hmm.
and so whenever we go to shops, we don't need Arabic to communicate with them. We can talk
Oh.
in our own language.
Oh, so let me ask this. Is the common language amongst all the expats, is it English? The common language?
It's Urdu.
Urdu.
Like for Indians, it's Hindi, but it is quite similar with Urdu.
Oh, okay, that's good. You can speak your own language there.
Yes, there are some subtle changes, but yes.
No, I think that's good. I'm happy you're having a good life with your family there in Saudi Arabia. I
Yes.
don't know any Arabic. I only know how to say, what I said just now and goodbye.
Okay. So where did you learn that?
From my students here on Cambly. I have a lot of
So how long
students
have you
from.
been,
Sorry?
how long have you been on Cambly?
About 3 months now.
Okay. Okay. So you were telling me that most of your students are from Saudi Arabia.
Yes, in Riyadh or Jeddah, mostly those areas, and Kuwait, which is not in Saudi
Great,
Arabia.
great. So, how is their English? They speak
I,
good?
when they learn English, I think they speak very well, but a lot of my students are in the intermediate level, which means that they don't completely know it yet. The accent is noticeable sometimes, but I tell them not to worry because, sorry, as long as they're understood, I think it's fine. Just like in, Britain and Ireland, when they speak English, as a native speaker, it is hard for me to understand them. But around
Okay.
the world, it's widely accepted, their accent. So I
Mhm.
think accents from different areas are fine. You don't have to make yourself sound American or something like that, you know?
Okay. Okay. I also think that if you are pronouncing the words correctly, so
Hmm.
it is good.
Me too. Just like how you're
Yes.
speaking, I can clearly understand you,
Yes. And you are also understandable. Your
which is
words.
which is really funny because this is not my accent.
Really?
No, I was born in the Bahamas, so I have a dialect that I speak back home. I don't use
Mhm.
that here though because it's not understandable for people outside of the country.
Is it faster than this?
It's much faster and it replaces words with different ones.
Okay. If you don't mind, can you speak one sentence in your own dialect?
Sure. Let's see. Okay, so we have idioms too. One sentence I really like is when we greet each other, we say "how'd go."
Hard go.
Yeah, that's
And
we take
yes.
English and we smush it like that. So "how'd go" is just how is it going?
Excuse me. How is it going?
Like "how'd go."
Uh, okay. So, what I reckon that in your dialect, most of the sentences are acted or shrunk.
Yes, and we also use different sayings like see if we go to Saudi Arabia right now because I know it
Mhm.
gets to like 50 degrees there. We'll say, "Wow, it's hot as a six out here."
Okay, great. How is your experience on Cambly up till now?
I think it's been pretty great because there is a lot of things that I just did not know about people in different countries. For example, um, on the TV, you don't see many things about Saudi Arabia or even Pakistan. They only tell us about Pakistan when something bad is happening. They never tell us about the everyday life or like what they're doing. In Egypt too, like they don't tell us anything. So when I come on Cambly and I meet students from these areas, they tell me about their normal everyday life, what they like to do for fun, and it's quite normal. I think the media makes a lot of countries look very unrealistic.
Exactly, I do agree with you. They
Mm.
actually show people what they want to show.
Hmm.